Hello guys, I am Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged Clips. On this channel, you will find bite-sized videos from our main channel, Blogging Unplugged. If you are not into those hour-long videos, then this channel is for you. And if you find the content helpful, then make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video. Now, apart from these settings, the toolbar has also received a few tweaks and introduction of few new image editing features. So for that, you need to click crop over here, and it will show you three options. The first one is the zoom in, zoom out. In case you want to increase the zoom of your logo, or maybe your logo is too big and you want to zoom out, then this is the option for you. The next option is the aspect ratio. Now using this, you can change the aspect ratio of your logo. The third option is the rotate, and using this you can rotate the logo to the direction that you want to. Now before WordPress 5.9, what you had to do was it was required that you upload a logo that was perfect in size, but this is not the case anymore, because you can use these options to basically tweak the size and make it perfect for the design that you are going for. Now apart from this, another option that you will see is the duotone filter. Now this is the option. Now using this option, you can add shadows and highlights basically to the logo. It's basically a two-tone color that you can add with just a few clicks, and it doesn't impact the integrity of the logo. Your logo stays the same, it just adds a filter to it. So this is another interesting option if you want to add the two-tone color effect on your logo without losing the integrity of the image. Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.